Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Honor Buds 3 Pro with any iPhone or iPad. So to do this, you have to firstly put both earbuds inside this charging case, then open this cover, and next you have to find this button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking, just like that. Right now, release that button and put this case open close to your iPhone. Then go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on this switcher, and now you have to wait until Honor Earbuds 3 Pro show on the list. Next you can select them, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Right now you have to open the App Store to get the Honor ID application to unlock more features of our earbuds. So type Honor AI, but looks like on the iPhone we cannot find this application. Yeah, definitely that's not an Honor application in this App Store. You can find the Huawei AI Live, but that's not the Honor. So yeah, you cannot unfortunately connect them to the application and get more features like, for example, the sound equalizer, adjusting the gestures and other stuff. You can do this on any Android device, but on the iOS you cannot. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.